A complete computer guide.
Hi, welcome all you in my channel. As you know, I am Dhananjay. Today I am going to start a new topic or second topic of QBASIC, and in this topic I will discuss about how to save QBASIC program. So here you can see in my computer screen, here is the QBASIC window or that file, that program which I had done on that first video. I would like to save it, but how can we save? So first question is here. So you know that every programs of computer there is different extension. Extension means just here is one name and here is after dot there is extension. So I'll explain extension topic in extension topic in next chapter, but now you just understand that it is name and it is extension. So I have saved it just ram.bas. Okay, now I'm closing it. Then you can see here. When we will open ram.bas, then this program has opened. So I hope you have understood that how to write program on QBASIC and how to save it and how to open it. For today this much only. In next video I will explain other topic of QBASIC. Till then, wait and keep watching my channel, and thank you for watching my video.